Meter from the cars to the left and right of me.
Yeah.
I've got hazards on both sides, so I'm gonna stay in the middle.
Yeah. Okay, good. Keep going.
We've got a police car coming up here, as well as we need to move through this building hazard. So we're gonna keep to the right here.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be nice and smooth with it.
At the crossroad, turn left, please.
Okay. So the crossroad. Not quite there yet.
Yeah. When you see the crossroad, then start your
Okay.
routine.
I'm gonna do look in the center mirror, left-hand mirror,
Mm-hmm.
and then we're gonna indicate,
Good.
keeping an eye on what's coming up my peripherals.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to follow this lovely yellow line, keeping it nice and slow.
So, are you using your peripheral vision, which is really good, okay? For your surroundings.
We're just going to keep on forward. Nice and slow.
Yeah, this is fine now. You are more relaxed now. Keep going ahead.
I think after that first loop,
I think first loop you just wanted to go a little bit fast.
I don't know what it was. My foot just felt like it was pushing by itself.
Yes.
Silly.
So give little gas that you need.
Yeah.
If you press hard, you're gonna go really fast. It's an electric car.
I think you underestimate. I think I underestimate how powerful they really are.
Yeah, this is really powerful.
Blind corner, so we're going
Okay.
to slow right down, foot right off the gas, use it a tiny bit, and then we're going to slowly turn.
Wow, this is nice. Good. Well done.
Keeping an eye on.
Really nice.
Straightening out.
Good.
Keeping as we are for the moment. There's a hazard in front of me, so I am going to take precaution and move to the right hand side. I can't see any hazard coming towards me, so I'm able to do that a little bit earlier.
This is nice. Well done.
I'm going to keep on going, keep maintaining the speed. I don't need to go any faster than this. I'm going to keep on going. Keeping onto this line. There's another hazard up there, so I'm going to stay in this side of the lane. There's no hazard coming towards me either. I'm going to slow down nice, because this is a blind corner. Well, not blind, but it is obstructed.
Yeah, the corner is blind.
Another potential hazards on the side there, so I'm just going to keep on. Oh, you can see some the gentleman looks to be behind this car. He's not on the road.
Yeah, he's not on the road. It's fine.
So we're just going to give him a wide berth though.
Yeah.
Hopefully these chaps aren't doing anything.
Here his door is open. Yeah.
We're just going to wait for him.
So we brake slowly. It's fine.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah. Now we can go. He's on the side. So slowly go, move forward. You close the door. And here we just assess the space. So we stop here. Stop first. Stop completely. Stop slowly, and then steer to the left. So we go from the gap. Okay. If you go to the right, we don't want to hit the car. This is fine. This is a new challenge for you today.
It's an interesting one, actually.
Yeah. Keep going ahead. So we're gonna pull up to the left with next to the lamppost, not with the tree, because it's a junction here. So we keep this clear because we don't wanna block the junction. We're gonna move forward next to this grass patch here. We don't wanna block the driveway, so this is a nice space. This is completely okay. So now tell me what you think about this loop.
It's a good loop. It's a challenging loop. It's got some different things on it, to be fair.
I think you fixed our left turn. So this time when we go out, I'm gonna give you really difficult task.
Ooh, okay.
Another left turn, but I just want to see how you're gonna handle that, okay?
Yeah, we can
So
do.
this time when we go out, move off first left. on
First
this
left.
first
Okay,
left on
cool.
this junction. Okay, when you ready, then move off. If you want to drink water, you
Yeah,
can,
I'm just gonna-
just relax. I know it's hard.
I'm just absorbing
It's
it.
too much information.
With that tight, so that
Those
van back there.
First few like 4 or 5 lessons are hard, and then when you go on main road, it's easy.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
That
then.
so that van back there, the very tight.
Yes, space.
How do you know which way to sort of pull it inwards? Do you see
Like-
what I mean?
When you coming from there, you are going straight.
Okay.
If you go straight, you're gonna go into him. So
Yeah, okay.
when you see that gap, so slowly steer to the left so your wheel go this way away
Right.
from the one.
Okay. Okay. So you want to go away from the oncoming hazard,
Yes.
even if it's stationary.
So we can't go straight. So we're gonna make small adjustment with our wheel.
Yeah.
So we slowly come to the left in that gap and come to this side.
Okay. That makes sense to
Okay.
me. That makes a lot of sense to me.
Because if you go straight, you will go into his front like
Bumper.
Yeah, bumper. So avoid that. We need to steer a little bit to the left so we come away from him. Go from the gap. There's enough space here, but
Okay.
we need to make the small
We need
adjustments. Okay.
something small, that
That's
small
it.
little.
So this
little
time,
tweak.
if we go there, can you do that yourself?
Yeah. I'd be
Okay,
able to.
and then I'll give you the difficult turn next time.
Okay.
Oh,
cool.
this time let's go. We'll go around this. First do the this turn, and then go around and same place.
Okay. So
Again.
are we taking this first left
First
up here?
left.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
We'll go around.
So nothing's changed. Nothing's moved.
Mhm.
There's a gentleman on the
Little bit
road.
busy,
Oh, those are shorts. I thought he didn't have any pants on.
but he's on the. He's safe now.
He is okay. Right. First things first. Observations.
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna pop ourselves into drive.
Yeah.
Indicate. One more observation. Oh, we got a van coming,
Mm-hmm.
so we'll wait for him to go.
Good observation. Well done.
One more time. And Porsche stop. That's okay. And we're gonna head off.
Yeah. So we go ahead and then first left on this
Okay.
staggered crossroad junction. Okay.
Sounds good. We got a hazard
He's
coming
coming,
up.
so we slow down. We slow down. Nice and slow. Keep in middle, but just slow down and stop. So when he go, if you come more to the left, people's thinking you are parking, but we are
okay.
not. So our position half in, half
Yeah.
out the car.
Okay.
This is
cool.
perfect position. So we stop
okay.
here. We can stop anytime if the hazard is coming. There's no space. Okay.
There is another one coming.
Yes.
So we're just gonna let that go.
This is fine. So be ready, and then we go.
I can go. I can see my junction coming up. So we're gonna start preps.
Yes.
Left hand mirror. Oh,
If
no.
he's coming, so we slow down and stop. Slow down and stop. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else, we can't do anything. He will go and then we first left.
Yes.
When you're braking, just smooth brake, okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
No hazards. We're gonna head off. And we are gonna
Start your routine.
indications. Mirrors checked.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna follow the yellow hazards.
Look at the double yellow.
No.
I'm just braking for you because otherwise.
Am I very, very close? Ah, okay. Yeah, a little bit too close there.
Yes. So which way you gonna steer now to
That
go?
way.
Okay. Slowly.
Do apologise.
No, it's okay. Go slowly. It's
We're
fine.
gonna nice and slow. 2 hazards. I'm gonna decrease my speed, I think.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna pop
Now
over
we
to the
come
left.
here. Fine. Keep going ahead. End of the road. Turn left.
Okay. We've got hazard coming up on the left, so we're going to move into the right hand side. Being nice and slow because there is a junction now.
Yeah.
And we're going to move into this side. He's turning around.
Yeah. Is he parking or he's going?
Just gonna slow down and see.
Yeah, he's going.
He's
So
okay.
end of this road, we are turning left. So
Okay.
when we see the end, we start our routine
Okay.
for the left
So
turn.
center, left, and then we're gonna indicate.
Yeah.
Keep on going.
And look at the layout. So we're gonna stop behind the giveaway line and
Mhm.
check on our right if any cars coming. Creep
Mhm.
forward more behind the line so we can see properly in that road. Is it clear on the other side?
Yep, it's all clear.
That's
All
fine.
good to go.
Then go.
I'm just gonna wait for this. Just gonna check my mirrors.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna head off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move into this side. And we're gonna keep in this side, I think.
It's the same hazard there.
Mhm.
So let's see
Let's
how
see if
we
we can
gonna
do it.
deal with this.
I'm gonna slow right the frick down.
Is he still there or
He
he's
is indeed, yes.
So if we go straight, we're gonna go into him.
We're just gonna
So
wait a second.
we just
Anyway.
slow down and stop here. Stop first. Yeah, and then slowly creep forward, then come to the left.
There we go.
And whenever you're coming to the left, check your left mirror for position or right, okay?
Yeah.
Whenever you're changing directions, we check in our mirrors.
Okay.
So keep going ahead and then we're gonna pull up on the left in same place.
Where? With the tree.
Yes, or maybe here.
Okay.
Because we don't want to block the junction, so we'll just park
The next one down.
Yeah.
Here? We can keep on
Well,
going.
yeah, we're gonna
let's
move
keep on
forward.
going.
We don't want to block the junction,
No.
so maybe after the red car.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good.
That's
That
safe.
lamppost after the red car.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Apologies.
No, it's fine.
So we're gonna do.
Because somebody parked there now. A minute ago, that space was
It's free.
yeah, free,
Do
but
it.
now,
I'm gonna indicate.
yeah, hold on. Observations
Slow
okay.
the right down.
Go a little bit slow and steer to the right. Straighten your wheel. Okay.
And then park.
Okay. So what happened in the first left?
The first left turn. I over egged it.
And
I
how?
oversteered.
How? Over egged it. How?
Over egged it. I
Oversteering.
pulled too much to the left.
And okay.
But I think my
Your position.
approach was
Okay. Okay.
given the number of hazards that came my way.
Yeah.
Um,
And what's the layout of that junction? It's really difficult, huh?
I don't know what layout the junction is. It?
Yes, completely like all the left turns are really easy, but especially this one.
Yeah.
So for this one, when we approaching, sometimes we completely stop.
Okay.
And then we look at the double yellow line, we track them slowly, no gas
Okay.
at all. So we just slowly track them with the creep.
Mm.
And then when our car is straight in new road, then we slowly give gas and go
Okay.
ahead.
Okay.
This how
Yeah.
we're gonna fix it, okay?
That makes
So
sense.
you tell me how you're gonna fix it now.
I'm gonna approach this first left turn here
Yes.
nice and slowly.
Hmm?
When I'm going round, I'm gonna be nice and slow. I'm gonna track the double yellow line again slowly.
Are you gonna give gas or no?
No gas.
So when you gonna give gas?
When I've straightened
That's
out and I can
fine.
go forward.
Okay, so let's move off and demonstrate this.
Just to
to
give
me.
it a go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
It's a difficult task, but you have to do it.
hey. You got to learn somehow.
You
innit?
have to.
Can't be perfect at everything.
I mean, you train here in this area, then
Yeah.
driving on main roads is easy.
Really
Yeah.
interesting. Okay.
That's the difficult.
I would have thought main roads would be a lot
No,
hard,
no, no.
a lot more difficult.
It's the special, completely you're going to use these methods, whatever you're learning here. But that crossroads are really open and big. Here
Yeah.
they are small. For example, this crossroad, when we go out, I'm going to show you on main road, but they
Okay.
are big.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
these
yeah.
are exactly same, whatever you're learning here, you're going to apply these rules in there.
Okay. Cool.
Okay?
Right, observation. One last observation. Sorry.
Yeah.
Indicate.
Okay.
Good to go. Making sure we turn off our hazards. Right.
Can you see the junction?
I can now.
So what's the next step?
Center, left,
Yes.
and then we're going to indicate.
Yeah.
We're going to take our foot off that gas pedal. And we're going to start. We're going to go nice and slow. We're gonna
So he's coming, so we just stop here.
Okay.
Just stop. Okay, I'm helping you with it. Because it's not safe. When the
No.
car's coming from there, if you turn, you're going to go into cars.
Yeah.
Okay? So
Just gonna
now,
do it.
now truck them around with very slow. And look at the, look here. This is fine. Perfect. And give small gas.
Yeah.
Small.
Just a little bit.
Because the cars go really fast then. It's fine.
I'm going to go around here.
Good. Good
Better.
turn.
Better,
but
I
better.
think. We've got
Better than before, but not best.
Nope. Still room for improvement there.
Yes.
I
End
think it's
of
to
the
do with the
road,
hazards.
left, please.
Yeah, not a problem. You can see our junction.
Mm-hmm.
Dip, dip.
So which way you gonna look now?
We're going to come up to the end and we're going to look down the right. The right is clear.
Mm-hmm.
Behind me is clear. My peripherals are clear. We're good to go.
Okay. What about your braking when you're stopping?
I need to be smoother.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Turn off my
Yeah.
indicator.